Hi, I'm Luke North of WJ Titan, and you are in the lab. Today, we're going to be discussing the benefits of checking your parts with digital overlays as opposed to using physical overlays on an optical comparator. One of the main benefits of using a digital overlay as compared to an optical overlay is you get an actual number result as compared to just a pass or fail. We're able to give you a more detailed representation of our results other than just go, no go, pass, fail. Another big benefit is being able to physically align to the datum structure. With a physical overlay, you're basically just trying to line up this line with the line on the overlay and this line with the line on the overlay, and that can create some user error. A lot of times, I've seen some older optical comparators, the lights are going bad, it's hard to find new lights, and it's really hard to see the lines you're comparing on your overlay to the shadow being cast from the comparator. With the vision system, you don't have that problem. Another downside of using physical overlays is you have to worry about storing them, making sure that no one is bending them or creasing them. You don't have to worry about getting them recaled every so often. With the digital overlay, it's always what it's supposed to be. If you have any more questions about benefits of using a digital overlay, or you have questions about anything, vision, GD&T, CMM, give us a call, drop us a comment, let us know what you want us to discuss in the next video. As always, I'm Luke North, and you're in the lab. If you guys are hearing a lot of beeps, and it sounds like we're in an ER, it's because we're super busy, we got a lot of work going on, getting some parts checked. Also, we may need an ER to get me through this video. This is rough.